So I just stumbled upon this project called pyoci, and it's designed for managing Python packages using an OCI registry. How cool is that?
Wait, seriously? That's interesting. So, it's like using GitHub packages but within an OCI setup,
Exactly, it lets you treat a private OCI registry like a Python package index. It's pretty clever.
right? And that could really simplify things for developers, especially with all the access management issues usually involved.
Totally, you don't need a separate access management system since it uses GitHub's existing access controls.
That's a huge benefit, but doesn't that assume everyone is already using GitHub? What about those who are?
Good point, it does have that limitation. But it also supports any OCI registry that follows the distribution spec, so there's flexibility.
Oh, I see. So it could work with other registries too. That opens it up to more users.
Exactly, and it acts as a proxy between pip and the OCI registry, which is really neat. It could streamline package management.
How does installation work though? Is it complicated?
Not at all, you just use pip with a specific command that includes your registry info. Pretty straightforward.
Wow, that's convenient. But I did notice a warning about dependencies from regular PyPy. What's the deal there?
Yeah, that's a catch. If your package depends on other packages from regular PyPy, those won't resolve automatically.
That could be a real pain point. I wonder if users will find workarounds for that.
They might, interestingly, tools like Poetry do offer ways to handle dependencies more flexibly.
That's good to know. It sounds like it could be quite powerful, but it does come with some quirks.
Totally, and there's also the option to host your own instance of pyoci if you prefer not to use the public one.
Really, that could be a game changer for organizations wanting more control. But it requires Docker, right?
Yep, it runs as a Docker container, which is great for those familiar with containerization.
I see, but that might discourage those not as tech savvy. Do you think the accessibility is an issue?
It might be, it's definitely a trade-off between flexibility and ease of use. Not everyone is ready for Docker.
That's a fair critique. What about security? How does pyoci handle authentication?
It uses basic authentication and forwards it directly to the target registry, which keeps things secure.
That's reassuring. But what happens if someone wants to change an existing package?
That's a bit strict. pyoci won't let you overwrite existing packages directly, you have to delete and republish.
Wow, that seems a little cumbersome. I guess it's a safeguard, but still, what's the deletion process like?
It relies on the underlying registry's methods for deletion, which can vary, not a standard process.
That could lead to confusion. There are definitely some gaps in user experience.
For sure, but on the flip side, it's appealing for teams that already trust OCI tooling.
I get that, and I heard there's integration with Renovate too. How does that work?
Yes, Renovate can be configured to use pyoci with proper credentials for managing private packages.
That's super helpful. It sounds like maximizing automated updates while keeping things secure.
Exactly, but again, users need to be careful about their token permissions. That can get tricky.
Right? It's all about balancing convenience with security. There's definitely a learning curve.
Absolutely, it's fascinating how pyoci can empower developers, but they need to navigate some complexities.
Before we wrap this up, what do you think is the most compelling aspect of pyoci?
I'd say the integration with OCI and GitHub, making it a versatile tool for managing packages.
That makes sense, but I'm still curious about how it'll be adopted in the long run.
Me too, it's like, will developers embrace it or stick to more established package management methods?
Exactly. It'll be interesting to see how this evolves. There's a lot of potential.
Definitely, I can't wait to see how pyoci shapes the landscape of Python package management.
Same here. It's a great reminder of how innovation can lead to both opportunities and challenges.
Absolutely, and having these discussions really helps to unpack those complexities.
For sure, it keeps the dialogue going, which is essential for progress in tech.
And it leaves us with so many questions. I wonder what the future holds for package management.
I think it's safe to say we'll be keeping an eye on this one. It's an exciting time in the dev world.